96 Toyota T100. $3,400. V6. It's a 5EZ motor. Check this out. What causes this? Smooth idle, no lights on, great throttle response, right? Why does it act like that? Again, no check engine light. Like I got a two-step. I ain't got no two-step. I've got an ohm meter sitting up there. You can see it sitting on the front up there. Tracked mass airflow sensor, all the coil packs, cam position sensor, did I check the crank sensor? Did check the crank sensor. I think I checked it. I'll have to get it back up under there, look at it again. And the throttle position sensor, I've got no check engine light that acts like that. Oh, and you can. The one thing I have not checked is fuel pressure. First Toyota. Now you check the fuel pressure on this unit. Let me know, guys.